Today we are making pumpkin cookies, and before I start anything, hit the subscribe button, ring our location bell, and let's get started. But first things first, my name is Gabby and his name is, what's your name?
Jackson.
And this is his friend. Go Spider.
I can see anything.
Yeah, he can see anything.
Yeah, we got look. Yeah.
So you follow. The ingredients we need. We have the pumpkin batter, but first things, we have our bowl with nothing in it. That's what we're gonna put the ingredients in. Jackson, grab the egg for us.
What are you making today?
We're making pumpkin cookies.
Why are you making pumpkin cookies?
Because it's almost Halloween and my grandma gave me this, and so I wanted her to see Grandma Joyce. So you follow. This is our butter.
Yeah, and this is an egg.
An egg. Thank you, Jackson, for announcing. So what do we pour in first? I think we'll pour in the egg. Okay. Jackson, will you pour in the egg for them?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now, we got our egg in. So, now we need the butter.
And that's so small.
The butter might take a while, but this will be enough. But see, now we have our butter. And two, you may not actually. Yeah, the butter is so slimy. But now we'll make now we'll put in this.
That?
I'll put in some.
All of it?
Not all of it. You get some of it too.
Guys,
We're rolling dough. You don't need this much, but you gotta pull them apart and turn them into perfect balls. And
not that
make it this size. You see?
What's that about the size of?
If it's big enough, it's good, and if it's too small, it won't taste as good like this one. It's too small. So, guys, I did my cookie right here. Tastes delicious, nice and good. I think with cookies with milk it would taste better, but we haven't frosted all yet. So we're gonna finish with the froster. See,
I like the frosting.
See, the frosting is good for some people. And if you guys want to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell and hit our location, please do. And subscribe to my channel. Bye.